Yes, hi. This is Star Witten. I am a ninth grade English teacher for Agora, and we have been talking about having these glitch slides. Typically, it's been things that the students have been able to see, and the teachers were still able to have full slides. However, this lesson in particular, and lesson 4.04 as well, were blank for me on the teacher version. So I just wanted to show you a couple things of what we're looking at. So if I'm in Archetypes, Illusions, and Sources, I will be able to see the first two, but then afterwards I can't see much of anything else. So Introduction and English Cast work, but then a closer look at Araby, it looks like it starts, but then there's nothing down here. And if I click over, there's still nothing. And it looks like my computer has quit. You know, it's not like it's trying to load, it's done loading. If I scroll to the next one, it'll get me to the practice category, and those are supposed to be practice questions that the students are working on, and I can't see them either. So not all of my students were having issues in lesson 4.05, but a couple of them were, and this was kind of the bulk of the information needed to take the quiz on 4.05. So if you can see, that one was blank, 2 of 4 is blank, 3 of 4 is blank, 4 of 4 is blank. And then if I go to the next lesson, it's blank as well. So it's supposed to be the try it on your own. Okay, so this one does work. Yes, I want to leave that. And then I do get access to my notebook, and I am able to see the quiz as the students see it. But you could see that the ones under the Learn category were all blank for me. So I'm going to stop this recording, but please let me know if you have any questions or any advice. I've cleaned my caches, I've done everything that's been asked of us, but it doesn't seem to be fixing the problem.